Why AI can't replace you, but energy misalignment will. Everyone's freaking out about AI taking their job, but I've got some good news for you. AI won't kill your career. Your energy will. You show up drained, detached, disconnected. And clients feel that before you even say a word. I've spent 25 years consulting and coaching professionals and performing in over 100 television commercials. But the most irreplaceable person that I have been around all have this one thing in common. They mastered their energy. One connection energy pattern that I teach is the centered lock, a 3-second pause where you make eye contact, ground your stance, breathe deeply into your core. It activates a presence and a calm so that you need in those situations. Professionals who align their energy patterns with their tone, their pace, their intention, they close deals. They lead better. They influence without forcing. Harvard research backs this. 95% of decision making is subconscious, and energy speaks directly to that part of the brain. So you want AI proof influence? Get in alignment with your purpose and let your energy do the talking. Keep moving your energy, connection energy, differently, and give service by adding value to the world with what you do best. I'm Kerry Ruff. Follow for weekly energy hacks. Drop energy wins in the comments if this hit home with you. Tag someone who needs to hear this now.